fine. I hope you're safe out there. I wanted to tell you about this awesome bike that I got from Electric Bike Paradise. This bike is phenomenal. I got it for my son a couple of weeks ago, and he is not the easiest person there is on bikes, scooters, and pretty much anything else. So after 2 weeks, there is not even a scratch on it. Everything is intact and it is still doing good, and he loves it. Some of the features that I like about it is, for one, it's electric, so I don't have to worry about gas. I don't have to worry about him having to have a special licenses, registering it, or anything, because in our state, you don't have to have that for an e-bike, which is very good for him. I also like that there's a headlight right here that lights up the whole street. So when he's going to work at night, he's got light. Another good thing about it is it's a quick charge. It can be completely dead, and within 3 hours, it is completely charged again. All digital. It's set up for the attachments, the accessories. You can put a water bottle on it. You can put your cell phone case here. All kinds of accessories that Electric Bike sells. And I can't say enough about the company, Electric Bike Paradise. Thank you so much for making a good bike that my son can actually, that holds up to my son. So I hope you all get one and enjoy yours as much as we are enjoying this. Thanks, Electric Bike Paradise.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.